Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. It's wonderful to be here with you once again this morning. We're live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my own money. We are live now on YouTube and over 20 different platforms. Here is my portfolio rising very well this morning. If you're watching on TikTok, you can't see anything. You need to join me here on YouTube. The link's in the profile. If you're listening to us on the podcast, whatever time it may be, welcome to you as well. My portfolio has grown from 5,000 to 58,000. We've just backed down now to 55,000, just under in the last couple of weeks. Been a bit of a correction, a lot of stuff going on, of course, the sell-offs because of COVID, but we are doing well again now. Things are starting to pick up again. Lots to talk about today in the show. In the show today, of course, Shiba Inu. Everybody's talking about Shiba Inu right now. Let me get into the Google screen. Here we go, the trading screen. And this is the position right now. We're just down today slightly, but on the hour we've started to rise. As you can see, in the last hour we're up 0.35. Our first guest of the morning is here. Good day, mates. Christopher Marantet is here with his fancy hair and fancy beard. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're live now on over 20 platforms and our podcast. It's lovely to have you all here. Welcome to everybody. It's going to be a big day. Lots and lots going on. We are now just 200 hours away from monetizing this channel in a record time of 4.5 months. From zero. Absolutely fantastic, and that's all because of all of you. The family we have here is incredible. The support we get is amazing. Right, today we are talking about Shiba Inu. That's in the news today. Shiba Inu, what's this all about? Is this real investing? Or is this just, speculative gambling? Well, I've always encouraged the fact we don't do that on this channel. This channel is not about gambling. This channel is about investing, research, study, and calm, collected, relaxed approach. But it's making the news, and we want to share it with you because all sorts have been going on with it. Let me share with you my position here. Over, oops, it's not turned on right now. Let me go back to that screen. Let me disconnect that and reconnect. That's better. This is what I wanted to share with you this morning. Last night I opened a position on Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, and we'll talk about the differences in a second. But as you can see, I bought a little bit of Shiba. I know you're all thinking I thought this was a sensible channel, but there's millions of people that are interested in it, so I want to talk about it, discuss it, and I can't demonstrate it if I'm not in it. But there you go. You can actually see I purchased a little bit of it last night just to get in this crazy journey that is Shiba. But what can I say? It's a crazy thing, but I do want to share it with everybody. This is my Coinbase position as well. I have a Coinbase position, and you can see how that's jumped up. I put $150 in it. I've made $60 overnight. It's been pretty wild. But again, is this financial investing? Is this financial investing, or is this speculative gambling? I don't know. Well, I do have a strong opinion on it, and I will, we'll discuss that today and see what you think. But I did decide to get involved with it just so I could cover it with you to see what you think about it. Anyway, we'll keep our eye on that today because it's in the news. It could blow up today because of Kraken. Kraken is a brokerage that is actually listing it on their system now. So a lot of people are excited about this. There's a thing called a Shiba Army, believe it or not. Anyway, enough of that for the minute. We'll wait for the team to arrive. It's a bit quiet start this morning. We'll wait for the team to arrive. If you've just arrived, subscribe and ring the bell, and of course, smash the like button. That's a big thing to do. And I really appreciate you doing so. If you're watching me over there on TikTok, I got a comment on TikTok and it says Shiba, not a utility coin, it is gambling. Well, let's discuss it. If you want to discuss it, and if you really do want to discuss it, come over to YouTube. All right, the link's in the profile on TikTok. The icon is here. Click the YouTube link right below there. It's right behind the icon, and come into YouTube. Talk to my team. I'll share your comments on the screen. You can really get involved. You can see my trading screens. If you're listening to me on the podcast, look below in the description, and you'll see all the links for all the things that you may be interested in and all the things that we're talking about today. All right, let's bring in our guests now. We've got Alicia. Hi, Martin. How are you? Happy to see you. Our contingent from Italy. We've also got Patricia as well. Glad to be here. Wonderful stuff. Eating something at McDonald's. Eating at McDonald's. Alicia over there in Italy. They have McDonald's, yes, in Italy as well. Wonderful stuff. Right. Everybody smash the like button. We average now 20 likes a show. So let's get right up there as quickly as possible. It's a very slow start this morning. Very, very slow start. This is unusual. Normally by this time we have 20 people in, but just coming in now. Just a bit of a stutter this morning. Let's see what happens. Right, now then, we've got 23 minutes now before the bell goes, and Tesla is up 0.11. Charlie Lohan, I've just come over from TikTok. Welcome to Charlie Lohan. Welcome, we've got a new guest here. Charlie Lohan, lovely to see you. Full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor, but I have had a lot of success here on the channel. Think of this as the Truman Show. Jim Carrey, that film. I've exposed and done all this in public in 5 months on air in front of you all. Gone from 5,000 to 58,000. Here is my portfolio. Let me share it with you. And if you want to ask me any questions, you can. If you want to be part of the Discord group, you can. I was actually voted as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio, and I perform live music every night behind me here in the studio. And by daytime, I trade, and I've grown my portfolio live here on Robinhood. And what we do, we have a family who support each other, help each other. And what we do is, my main aim is to bring a family together. And we have a wonderful team of traders here in the show. We had one guy invest $330,000 on Rivian during our show on Rivian IPO day, and we all support each other. In fact, my portfolio has grown because of the support and what I've learned from all of you here live in the chat. So, if you're interested in what we're doing here, everything is real, genuine. I don't sell you anything. In fact, we give coins away, we give money away. I literally give the referral cash I get from brokerages back to you. I give it back to you. I share it with you, and it's all about giving back. That's what it's all about. Rivian is down slightly, just reading Christopher Marentet's comment there. Geez, Charlie Lohan has got a lovely comment there as well. Geez, sounds good. Good stuff. I get it. I'm glad you enjoy it. Christopher says, I forget I was not 18 years old anymore on this weekend and jumped off a stage during a performance. Yep, Christopher, I've done that. That's a really bad idea. You forget you're not 18. I know, I've done that. I've done that. Anyway. Dear, oh dear. Let's get back to the trades. Right, this morning we're hoping that Virgin Galactic might pop up. It's down 1% this morning. Right, my portfolio this morning, I have no buying power left. I do not use leverage. I don't believe in it. I think it's a bad idea. Lucid is down 1.74. So we've got a lot of things down today. In fact, look at all this down, all this red this morning. Rolls-Royce is up 1.85. Boeing is down 1.96. Apple is also down. This is a down day at the moment. Everybody's stressed. Top tip, actually, I use this a lot. Before the markets open, I go and look and I go and see what the rest of the world is already doing, because of course that way it gives you an indication of where we're going. I'll share with you what I mean. So New Zealand opened first, they were up, that looked good. Then of course Australia opened up, that looked good. And then we moved to Japan, down. Hong Kong, down. Germany, down. FTSE, down. So is it any surprise that we're opening down? Interesting that Australia and New Zealand opened positive, and after that we started to tumble. So it gives you an indication of where the day's going. I always use that to sort of plan my strategy for the day, to see actually what is more than likely going to happen. What did I miss? You missed a big discussion about Shiba Inu. I'm so sorry. Not much. Oh, it's not that bad. Just need to out my age. Oh dear, oh dear. So Sev, let's have a look at Sev is up. In it bizarre. Some of these major stocks are down, and yes, Sev is up. There you go. Immersion is down. I bought 10 shares of it. We're up though. We had a little flutter at Immersion yesterday. Remember, I just jumped in with everybody. Also, Palatine Technologies as well. I also got in that as well. All right. Now then, let's look at our cryptocurrency because we're talking about Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. Thank you very much, Balasir, for your help. I'll show you what I mean in a second. Ethereum is up 6% today. Bitcoin is up 3.5% today. Wow, we're getting some big pushes. This is probably to do with a little bit the price of Doge. Rival Shiba Inu is suddenly soaring. Here's why. Let's discuss it on the show today. All right, so we'll talk about that in a minute. Right, where are we going right now? So now we're up in the last hour. That's looking much better. We're now moving up. Musicians are always forever young. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. I like it. Right, so today I'll be sharing with you. Look at this. I'll be sharing with you. I opened and I want to thank Muzanella and I want to thank Balasir for their tips of wisdom. I opened, first of all, and remember, I want to keep this channel really, really pure and right and decent and so on. We're not gambling, we're investing, but we are also a channel for entertainment. So I'm also trying to learn and support and help and be involved with what you're doing. So I did get some Shiba Inu. Yes, I did. And let me share with you how I did it. I tried to buy it on Robinhood. I couldn't buy it on Robinhood. If you're over on TikTok, come and join me on YouTube. The link's behind the profile. 3 clicks, you'll be right here. Just come and join us like our friend did just a few moments ago. Anyway, so what I did, I couldn't buy it that way. I then decided, okay, how else can we buy it? Well, there's lots of ways you can actually do it, I discovered. Webull, you can do it. I have an account with Webull, but that wasn't instant money. Wasn't instant transfer. I didn't have any buying power. So I went over to Coinbase. As you can see, yes, everyone's going to laugh at me now. Everyone's going to, well, you're not going to laugh at me because you've all invested in it. But you're all going to say to me, oh, look at that, he did do it. Right, okay, yes, I did. I did do it just because I wanted to be involved so we could discuss it today. All right, so I put some money in, 150 bucks, and as you can see, it's made money straight away. That is Coinbase, regular Coinbase. Well, then I spoke to Balasir and Muzanella, and I learned, actually, that was a mistake because I paid a couple of dollars in fees. What I should have done is done it this way. So let me share with you what I should have done. I should have bought it in Coinbase Pro. So I set up a Coinbase Pro account. I think this is ridiculous, the fact you need to have two and they're the same, but one's better. I mean, I'm not, anyway, whatever, let me show you. So anyway, I then went to Coinbase Pro and I bought some Shiba Inu there, which was a lot cheaper. There was hardly any fees. It was a couple of cents. All right, and then you can actually withdraw, right, for no cost at all to your Coinbase account. So I can't understand what the point of that was. But anyway, nevertheless, that's what I did. I bought my second round of Shiba. Yeah, I know. So I did that. So I've got over $200 worth of it now, which gives me 10 trillion, billion, skillion Shiba coins. But, you know, we'll talk about that as well. And then you can transfer it straight across to your Coinbase regular account, which is what I did. Now, what I do find frustrating, though, with Coinbase is to send to a wallet, because I wanted everything in one wallet, right? In fact, one platform, because you can't have one wallet. Every asset is a different wallet. I wanted I wanted all of it in one platform, and I preferred Trust Wallet as my main account for all my cryptocurrency, right? So I tried to do that to send the money from Coinbase to a Trust Wallet, and they don't like you taking it off the platform. And if you do that, you pay these ridiculous mining, burning fees, whatever they call it. And it was like about $12 to take it off. And at that time, it hadn't fully, because I was transferring money, it only allowed me like $25 worth of Shiba to take off. And it actually wanted like half the money in fees to do it. So be aware of that. If you do buy your money on one wallet, one system, you may have to pay a little bit to get it off, send it somewhere else. So if you're going to buy something, top tip is where do you want to hold it? And I tried to send it to myself, and I couldn't send it to myself because you can put a number in and it's free to send it to someone, but I couldn't send it to myself because it's the same number. So yeah, that's a bit frustrating. Anyway, whatever. I have it in there. I wasn't thinking of spending it. I was just thinking of investing in it or whatever. But is this financial investment, or is this completely ridiculous gambling? Well, I've done it because it's part of the show, but I do think it is ridiculous. I have to be totally honest. People get excited because they own 3 million shares. It's not like owning 3 million shares of Tesla. Then you'd sit on the board. Then you'd actually have a load of cars. Then you'd have a say in what is going on in the world. Whereas if you own, in my case, 3.5 million Shiba coin, what do I have? Well, nothing really. And if it goes to, I don't know. I'm not a great believer in this sort of stuff. But anyway, let's go back to the conversation now, because there's some chat coming in and we'll talk about all these things on the show. Or send them from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. That's what I did, Musanella. That's exactly what I did. Yep. What's your opinion on the sandbox? I bought a dip a couple of days ago, just before the alpha was launched. It's something I've not got involved in, Nathan Wilson. Lovely to have you here. I'd like to welcome you to the family. If everyone could put in their cities and countries for where you're from around the world. And Nathan, if you could do the same, that would be great. What price did you get it at? Okay. Well, I'll tell you. Let's have a look. If I click on... the app, I don't think the app's very good. I got to be honest. I do prefer Robinhood by a long, long way. This is the Coinbase app right now we're looking at. And you asked the question, what did I buy it at? It doesn't show you your actual return on each asset. It doesn't say you're up 2%, you've made $2. It doesn't show you that on the app. I've not opened it on the website yet, admittedly. But looking at it on the app right here, if I click on it, as you can see, it just says today it's up 32%. It doesn't tell me, my position. I don't know. I'll check it out on the website, but on the app it didn't look too. I don't know. To me, I think Robinhood's far better. But it's my opinion. It's only my opinion. So there it is. There's my position. Look, bought Shiba history. There you can see the fee. I got charged a fee of $2.99. Anyway, there you go. I'm not so sure, but anyway, whatever. So I don't know what price I got it at. I know I'm up, but it doesn't tell you what price you got it at, does it? It doesn't really tell you that. And if it does, somewhere, tell me. I got in at 520. I mean, I've got no idea. On the app, it doesn't tell you. I think it's rubbish. And if you want a comparison, the way I do things, I prefer this. Robinhood, look. Oh, for some reason I'm logged out. Let me log back in again to Robinhood. Okay, here we go. So if I look at an asset like Tesla, for example, I've got my position, my portfolio amount, total return, today's return. I can see I'm up 19%. I just think this is so much better. But anyway, let's have a look. They send you an email that shows what you got it for. Yes. But why isn't it on the app? Why isn't it telling you what you're up by? I just think it's daft. Anyway, got in at 520. Muzanella says Coinbase has a great and professional website on the PC. I agree about the application there. Absolutely. I think it's a bit of a... I think it's tapping in. They blamed Robinhood for being like a casino, like a gamifying finance. But I have to say, I think other than the little bit of confetti that they used to have, I really think Robinhood's far superior. I don't know. But you make your own choice. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter if you know what you want. And, I wanted to get some. So what does everybody think? Does everybody think it's an actual asset? Now, if I put $50 on Red and I win $1 million, was Red a good investment? I mean, you could argue it was a good investment, right? Or was I just lucky? I don't know. I think something like this is a bit of a joke, but I mean, it was intended as a joke. Let's be totally fair. And I don't understand why. It's like people, you buy millions of coins rather than, I mean, like I said before, Tesla share, you buy one share of $1,000. You don't buy 10 trillion skillion shares of Tesla, do you? Anyway, whatever. Anyway, moving on. That's what we're discussing this morning. If you want to get involved with it, we've got 8 minutes before the bell goes. A little bit quiet this morning. Smash the like button, everybody. If you're watching for the very first time, subscribe and ring the bell. We're live now on our podcast as well. In fact, we're not live, of course. We'll be there later on today. Okay, I've got a few things now. Now I've got Coinbase and all these wonderful things. I like to give back to you. So, influencers. I guess I'm an influencer now on YouTube. I refer different brokerages, and I get some referral fee. Some referral money. What I do, I like to share it with you. Rather than just keep it and make some money, I like to give it back to you. So, we've got a few options for you in the live chat. If you want some free stock from Robinhood, whoops, Daisy, I'll do that again. Here's some stock in the live chat. All the links, by the way, are below all of my videos. You don't have to grab them right now from the chat if you don't want to. Sign up for Robinhood, you'll get a free stock, I'll get a free stock, and I'll share it with you. eTORO, if you set up eTORO, I will gift you $10. They give me a little bit, I will give you a little bit. 2 people set it up yesterday. I got it referred, but I haven't had the $10 yet. I'm presuming you haven't funded the account yet. So, but I did see you'd set up an account. Coinbase. One thing I like about Coinbase is all the little freebies. If you use this link and set this up, Coinbase, you get, $10 of Bitcoin for free. And so do I. How cool is that? How cool is that? And Weeble as well. There's some wonderful opportunities. There is Weeble in the chat. And if you want to sign up for that one, you can sign up for all these things and get all the free shares and all the free stocks using my referral. All right. Hi, Martin. Just came out of my class for this at break time. Wow. Baby Yodo, this is a good stream. Thank you very much. Look at that, look. Came out of class to watch my show. What are you studying? Are you the teacher or are you a pupil? What's going on there? Morning all. Dave Mottram is here as well. Welcome. Right, 5 minutes to go. Let's keep an eye then this morning, and let's keep an eye this morning on the situation with Shiba. Shiba Inu, of course, because everyone's excited about it. So let's look at it on the hour. We're up 0.54. So I'll keep it here because everyone expects this to go mad today because of Kraken. Kraken's a brokerage is now listing it. That's why I titled the video Shiba and Kraken. But let's see what happens then, shall we? At the moment, I mean, we've been up with 33% today, as you can see. It's doing very, very well. When do you sell this? I mean, I'll tell you one thing. Everybody's excited going, oh, what if it gets to 1 cent a coin? 1 cent a coin. I'll be a gazillionaire. I don't think you will, because I don't think there'll be any money to pay anybody. Does anybody think if suddenly Shiba flew up, and remember, it rises for a reason. It rises because people are buying into it, and it also rises because there's limited supply. That's why a Bitcoin is such a valuable asset. Is there a limit to Shiba Inu? I've not researched that yet. Could someone tell me? Is there a limit to Shiba Inu? Will it run out, or what is going to propel the price? I'm very interested to hear your views on that. All right. So anyway, we've got just a few minutes to go now, 3 minutes to go. Virgin Galactic is down 1.23. I'm keeping my eye for our friend Muzanella and very concerned about this one, of course, right now. 1.51 down. Why am I not getting the comments coming through? They're on the screen, but I'm not getting them come through so I can share them. That's weird. That's not happened before. Favorites, all comments. I don't know why that is right now, but I'm not getting your comments that I can share with you today. So apologize for that. I don't know why that is. Right, let's have a look. It's lunchtime, just doing my club. Okay. You can click to learn. You can click to earn on Coinbase. Yeah, I did that. That was great. I did the whole class thing, and I think I made like 35 bucks. Yeah, you've made 46. Yeah, they keep doing new ones. The only thing is I discovered, all right, and I'll share that with you because you're all probably wondering about that. Look at all this. This is all of my money I got for free on Coinbase. All of this I got for free. Look, I bought Shiba, but I got Stellar for free. I got Bitcoin for free. I got Clover for free, the Graph for free, AMP for free, and Fetch for free. I got all that money for free. Here's the downside to it, though. Just want to give a balance to all of this. Here's the downside to it. Apparently, it's not enough in each asset to transfer or do anything with. So you have to add to it. Now, if the value goes up and you do more and you earn more, I guess maybe. But at the moment, it's a kind of empty gesture. I've got these wallets full of $5 here, $5 here, $5 here. But until it goes over a certain limit, I can't actually withdraw, spend, do, whatever. But anyway, we've got 1 minute to go. I have to wait. Hang on a minute. Let's have a look here. You can click to learn to earn on. Yes, I'm doing all that. That's good. Morning, Dr. Nathan Smith's here. They have a lot of coins, but they are burning some now. Okay, to reduce the overall amount. Good. My SHIB is the last 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, was bugged last night with me showing it rise every few minutes. My Shiba in the last 24 hours, Martin, was bugged last night with me showing it rise every few minutes. Oh, yes. Yes, that's okay. I'm sorry I can't post everyone's comments this morning. They're not coming through for some reason. I can't see them, which is a bit of a shame. But I'm reading them, but I can't share them on the screen. I'm up 1,000 right now on SHIB. Its price goes up from burning coins, and they are going to burn trillions. I have to wait. Video under review. 574 trillions. They need to burn 99%. Flipping heck. Anyway, right, the bell's going. Here we go. Right, let's watch what happens now. The bell's gone, and let's watch what happens now this morning. Let's go over to the main portfolio and see. We are up today 0.04. Now we are on the hour up 0.64. Let's watch it live. Right, Tesla is up 0.5%. Here we go. I'm expecting a recovery today. We had a little bit of one yesterday, but not much. Rivian, I'm now down 1.39. I'm nearly now in the money. I'm very excited to see where this can go now and make me some money. All right. I'm down 60. There we go. Rivian, oops, drop back down again. The first few minutes, of course, is always the most volatile. I'm down 1.87. SPCE now very, very low this morning, but now picking up. Here we go. Let's see what happens. We've got good news coming at end of December, perhaps January. Gores Guggenheim opening down but moving up. Lucid opening down but moving up. So this was an opportunity this morning to buy all these dips and see it all rise. Okay, I'm going to keep you posted with what is happening over there on Shiba, and you can see my assets here. I'm going to keep you posted with all of that. We're expecting something today. On the last hour, we've moved up one. In fact, we just dropped down a bit. That's the thing with... Oh, there we go. Let me share it with you. This is the Shiba position in the last hour, up 1%. We'll be watching that today, of course, with the Kraken deal that's gone on. So let's look at that in a minute. Right, Robinhood is now up 1%. Did any of you buy any of these dips? Rolls-Royce popped up and 1.85. Boeing is down but moving up. Apple is down but moving up. Google is down but moving up. SEV is up 1.45. What about the new ones we got into yesterday? Immersion. I've made some money on Immersion. I bought this yesterday with you guys. I also purchased, if you remember, Paladin Technologies. We had a big pump yesterday. I caught it at the top, so I'm expecting this to drop. Now, I could buy more, but my portfolio is empty. I'm up 1.34 on the hour. 55,000 again now. We've now moved back into the 55,000 territory. That is great. Let's have a look at crypto. Ethereum is up 6%. Now, this is in investments. This is in investment. Bitcoin is up 3.5%. We are just about to hit 60,000 again. I said, and I've been saying it can hit 100,000 by the end of the year. I do think that is completely doable. So anyway, if you've just joined the show, smash the like button, and if you could subscribe to the show, that would be wonderful. And everything you see here is real. This is my real money, my real trades, live on the screen. Okay. So, Shiba Inu today is now up 32% today. There we go. We'll keep our eye on that for you. 33%. It moves a lot all over the place. Let's see what happens. Bitcoin and Ethereum both up today. So we're seeing some real good gains here. Portfolio is now pumping up in the last hour. 55,000 now. My all-time record was 58. I want to get back there again. I don't like going backwards. Tesla is up 1.51 today. Absolutely great. What are we going to do with Tesla today? Rivian is now pumping up. Okay, I'm $50 away, $47 away from actually making some money again with Rivian. I've traded it 10 times, remember. If you're watching or listening on the new podcast, welcome to you. Look below in the description and you can join us live and watch the trading screens on YouTube. If you are on TikTok and you want to see our trading screens, talk to the team, see all my actual positions rather than just looking at my face, click on the icon. The profile icon's right behind there, and then the YouTube link is right there. All right. Good stuff. Does anyone know how I can refresh Ecamm Live to send me through the chat that you're sending me? For some reason, I can't get the chat on the screen, but it's a bit frustrating. I can't share your comments this morning. For some reason, I don't know why. It just doesn't seem to be showing up. Balasair, crazier things have happened, Muzanella. 574 trillions, they need to burn 99%. Is that to get it to 1 cent a share? 1 cent a coin, or whatever you want to call it. Right, Virgin Galactic is now lifting. Okay, here we go. Come on, Virgin Galactic. Now, if you remember, I want to sell some. I bought 26 shares yesterday at an average of 16.15. 16.15. Okay. I'd like to get. I couldn't get out of it yesterday. There was no way it let me out all day long. I bought in here and just traded sideways. Now maybe I can get some money out of this today. I bought 26 shares yesterday at 16.15. So if we can get to 17, something like that, I'll sell those 26 shares and put some money in my buying power, because I've got way too much Virgin Galactic and money sitting around doing nothing. So if I can get this up today, 17, then I'll take some profit off the table. Lucid is now up nearly 1%. Nearly $3,000 now, 57% up on Lucid. Very happy with that. Robinhood for our Muzanella is now moving up. We're very happy about that. If you've just joined us, smash the like button, please help us out. We're just 200 hours away now from being a monetized channel. And the reason why I tell you that, it's good for you, because I will be able to promote the video better and YouTube will share it better than they do right now. Shopify is up 2.86. John Brunette, hey, I'm sorry I can't share everyone's comments this morning. It's not letting me do it. I have no idea why. I've no idea how I can even refresh it. I wonder if I open and close the comments box. I wonder. Let me just think outside the box a minute. Window. Comments and reactions. No. It just opened it with the same old ones. Okay. Can't do nothing about it. My personal opinion, if they keep doing the same thing and burning more burning games and so on, I can see it in about 4 years close to the penny or more. Well, if that happens, well, I'd be a millionaire. But the point is, though, right? How would everybody sell? Where would the money come from? That's the point. If you've bought something like this and it explodes like that, where will the money come from? If everyone tries to sell at one point, where would the money come from? Let's put it this way: everybody puts in $1, and today everybody wants $1 million out. I mean, where would that money come from? And who in their right mind would buy it for $1 million? I mean, that's the thing. Who's going to hold the bag? Remember, you only make money when someone buys the other end. If no one's buying, no one can sell it. No one can sell it. So I'm just saying, Robinhood's having a great day. There we go. Lucid just dropped back a little bit. Rolls-Royce up 1% nearly, just dropping back. Boeing's now recovering. SPCE, I thought I was going to get some money. Darn it. Rivian, Rivian has just dropped 1.6%. There's a big drop there. Tesla is moving up again, 1.56. The overall portfolio, I went through 55,000, but just dropped back there. Never mind. Queen of Self-Braiding is here. Hello. Sorry I haven't responded to your text yet. Not a chance to respond to it yet. I want to thank everyone that joined our Discord group. Absolutely great. Please get involved over there. Leave comments, things you want to say. You want to see on the show, suggestions. Please let me know what you want to see in the show. Tell me what you don't like. Be totally honest. I want to read it and learn. So that's the Discord group. If you haven't done it, I've just posted it in the chat. But one thing I do need you all to do, and no one has done it apart from a legend known as Bill from Canada. I really need you to do something for me, and only one of you did it. And it's really important. Let me show you what it is. It is our podcast. It is our podcast. We've just released it, and I want to show you the very sad news. The very sad news. Look, I have 2 followers to my podcast. I need 50 to set it up properly. I only have 2. Look at that. Come on, guys. What happened there? Here is the podcast for the day trader. Let me put it in the chat. It's also below all the videos in the description. If you're listening to me on a podcast, of course, you already know you're there. Click follow. Follow me. There you go. It's free, and I just need 50. Just need 50. But there is the link. You'll probably use Spotify or whatever it is you want to use. Anyway, thanks, Muzanella. I've waited long for less. Julius Caesar, Roblox is up 2.9%. I apologize for not being able to share the comments on the screen. For some reason, it's not letting me. All right. And if anyone follows my podcast throughout the show today, I will update it and see if it and it will show on the screen. So that'll be great. I did it, bro. I think. Well, maybe it says I got 2. Maybe it was you and Bill. And Bill, I can't believe it. Bill actually became a subscriber, because you can actually support the channel if you want to. And all the money I get, of course, goes into this production. So thank you ever so much for doing that, Bill. Didn't expect that, but that's lovely. Right, Shiba, there you go. Up 32% today. Nearly 33%. We're keeping an eye on it because that's the news of the day. Everyone's talking about it. There's a Shiba army on Reddit. The price of the Dogecoin rival Shiba Inu is suddenly soaring, and here's why. It's all to do with Kraken. The Shiba Inu price, after rocketing into the crypto 10 last month and battling with Dogecoin for meme coin dominance, it's up 30% over the last 24 hours. Dogecoin itself is up more than 6%. The Shiba rally comes after US major cryptocurrency exchange Kraken confirmed it would add support for the meme coin, following through with its promise made at the beginning of November. So that's why we're getting this little bit of a push. Anyway, Lucid now moving back up again. Great. So now my portfolio should be recovering. There it is. All right. Back into 55,000. 15 minutes time, we'll get the scores on the doors. Right, we got 16 likes now. Our average is 20. Let's see if we can get 20 likes right now. Nathan Wilson, where are you from? You never put down what country you're from. Love to know. The same like Doge, some people made millions and sold in minutes. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, that's the question, isn't it? When do you sell? You know, it's not an, it's, I don't know. It is what it is, right? Tesla's up 1.79. Rivian is now dropping back. Rivian, I thought I was going to make some money there, but I think it will recover again. Virgin Galactic, right, come on. Let's have a day where I can actually take some of these shares out. Of course, all I'm doing right now is lower my averages all the time. I got 26 shares. Remember, when I buy into assets, I buy things that I believe in that will grow in the future. It's why, you know, my Tesla, my Lucid, and all these wonderful Google and so on and so forth, Apple, they're all long-term things that can grow. But I always buy a little bit extra each day just to put on top and sell quickly. That way I make some free money to be able to buy free shares. Because if you want to grow a portfolio without putting money into it, that's what you need to do. And that's what I do every day. All right. If I need my portfolio to grow, I need to make some profit out of Virgin Galactic so I can buy it again. So I'm not going to sell. Obviously, I'm down $916 right now. We've not had the pump yet. Maybe 15 minutes left for listing. Oh, there we go. We got a breaking news here. 15 minutes left for listing. That's Pud Ingu over there. On thank you ever so much indeed for joining us. Please share your city and country where you're from. Big Lad Kane. I love you, Marty. Well, thank you very much. If you want to be part of the main show, though, you want to actually be in my family, talk to my traders, see my actual positions, see my real money on the screen, be able to get the podcast, be able for me to give you $10 in cash, be able for me to give you free Bitcoin, you need to be in YouTube. The link is behind the profile. Come and join us. Condi Beth, US, Michigan. Hello, over there on Facebook. Come and join us here on YouTube. Let me come over to Facebook a minute. Let me just pop on in to Facebook. I'll try and find you. Where are you? That's Condi Beth. And I'm going to give you the link to where we are right now here in YouTube. And I want you to come and join and talk to the family. All right. This is how I've learned, how I've made my money here. So where are you? Let me see where you are. You're not over there on my profile. So maybe you're on the page. Let's go and have a look. The day trader page. Are you over there? I can't see where you are right now. I'm happy for a great return. Let's have a look. I'm just trying to find you. I've no idea. Oh, there you are. You're over on my page. All right. I've just liked your comment and invited you to join us here on YouTube. That's where, if you click the link in the chat, you can come and join us here on YouTube, and that would be wonderful. Oh, look at that. My comments appeared, but your comments aren't. Ah, that's very weird. Okay, the Facebook comments are coming through, but the YouTube ones aren't. I'm a bit confused by that. Anyway, never mind. Anyway, hopefully you'll come and join us. Anybody got any ideas on stock to buy that doesn't have 100% margin, that doesn't have 100% margin maintenance? Let's not even talk about margin maintenance. Don't even get involved if it requires margin. Oh, look at this. Virgin Galactic now then. I've got 26 shares at an average of 16.15. 16.15. I need to try, if we can get to 17, a bit more, I'll sell those 26 shares and get some money out of that. Really, really good. Just keeping you updated with Shiba Inu, because we were just told a few minutes ago, 15 minutes away from listing. 31% now over there today. That's today with Shiba Inu. So we'll keep our eye on that for you. That's over there on my Coinbase. Curse you, internet. Yeah, indeed. All right, so Virgin Galactic is doing well now, starting to pick up. Right, my portfolio is up 1.42 on the last hour. Today, it's up nearly 1%. Nicely in 55,000 again. Good. Okay, Tesla is up nearly 2%. Rivian is now trying to get up above the 120. I do believe, I asked you every day, do we believe that Rivian has hit a bottom? We started at 78%, 74%, and then it was 53%, all saying no. Let me see now. I'll ask it again. Has Rivian hit bottom? Yes or no? Is it going? Has it hit its bottom? The program is running. Okay, the program is running. Let's go over now to Shiba again. Thank you very much for that update, Queen of Shiba. Appreciate that very, very much indeed. That's the Kraken's system. Let's have a look. Has Rivian hit bottom? And every day I ask it, more of you say yes. No, we're still getting, let's see how many votes we get. Yes on Rivian. You need to come into YouTube, Condi. Condi, you need to come into YouTube to share our, talk to my team. I'd love you to come in and talk to the team. This is Condi, everybody. I'm able to share Condi Beth's comments, but YouTube isn't sending me the comments. It was, but it stopped. Stopped at Baby Yodo. But after that, it only sends Facebook comments. I have no idea why. Anyway, let me check Well, we've been doing this. If anybody followed me on my podcast yet, no. Still, I need 50 people. How sad is this? I posted it on Facebook, Twitter. I got 5,000 friends. I got, 500,000 on my website. I've got, I don't know, thousands on YouTube, and yet 2 followed it. I need 50 just to unlock the ad thing. So anyway, there we go. See if some, come on everybody, just click on it. Help me out here. Right, keep our eye on Coinbase. 31% now on. It's not moving yet. Nothing exciting to talk about with that yet. So we'll keep our eye. Right, let's get back to Rivian and let's see if we've been able to. No, it's still hovering around the 0. SPCE. Oh, it threatened to make money. I'm new at this. Don't know how to find you. You don't know how to find me? Well, I gave you the link in the comments. Just in the comments below, I gave you the link to the channel. And I'm on YouTube. And if you just type in The Day Trader, Martyn Lucas, spelt with a Y, you will find me. But I've given you the link. I've actually given you the link in the live chat. I'll do it again, shall I? There, look, I will reply to you. And there is the YouTube show. You click on that, you come into YouTube, and we'll help you. And here in YouTube, we actually will give you some free money. Yes, we will. Just because we like to help people. Right. Keeping my eye, it's still 31%. It's not done anything yet. The portfolio is now up nearly 1% on the day. In 8 minutes from now, we'll run the competition. We will see who's made the most on their main portfolio today. If you're listening to us on the podcast, look below for the description, and you'll see the links to our YouTube channel. And if you come over into YouTube, let us know that you've come from podcast. We'd love to know. Lucid is above 56. I know, it's great, isn't it? Lucid is absolutely flying. I'm up 60% on this one. No intention of selling anything here. I'm just holding this now. This is a really strong stock now. Made a lot of money on it. I'm going to keep this one going. Very, very happy with it. 138 is 14% of my... Oh, I found you. Great. Well, now, come on into YouTube. Everybody get ready to welcome Condi Beth from Facebook. We never get people from Facebook come over. Facebook, people love Facebook. Oh, this is good news for Robinhood, for Muzanella. It's good news for all of us, right? I'm down 16%. I want to see this do well. Muzanella said this could actually do well today on the strength of this Shiba news. We shall see, though. We shall see what happens to it today. Right, Boeing is down slightly, 1.15. Apple is up 1%. This is great for Apple. I'm now up 0.62%. I've got 9 shares of it. Love it. Google is up today. Very slightly and climbing. Sono Group, Sev, it's dropping back. I'm down $15. That's okay. Immersion, the new one we got into yesterday. Look at this one. This is down. This is up now, 7%. I only bought 10 shares. We all had a bit of fun with it. Should I buy Lucid? I think Lucid is a great investment for the future. Oh, you're still on Facebook. You're still on Facebook. Come and chat to us in YouTube. Now you've found me on YouTube, sign in, be part of the day traders. Come on in and chat in YouTube. Should I buy Lucid? I believe so. It's a great investment, I think. I absolutely do think so. I hear you mentioning Shiba Inu. Yes, graphics card, just for fun, because all of you kept banging on about it. I did. Look, I opened a Coinbase account and a Coinbase Pro account. And top tip, everybody, make sure that you open both. You need both. Coinbase Pro is better for buying it because the fees are less, then transfer it to Coinbase. A bit daft, really. I don't know why they do that, but it seems a bit silly. You know, I don't see the point of that, but There you go. Make sure now. For all those of you that want to get free $10 of free Bitcoin today, here is my referral link in the chat. Remember, all these links are below in the comments. Click on that, set yourself a Coinbase account up, and you'll get $10 of Bitcoin. And so will I, and I'll share it with you. All right. If you want eToro, I give you $10 in cash. I will send it to you via PayPal or Google Pay or Apple Pay. All right. There you go. If you want some more free stock and some more free money, here is Weeble. It's in the chat. Our friend Condi Beth, you can't see all these comments, all these links. You need to be in YouTube. And here is finally Robinhood, and you'll get free stock there as well, and I will share with you what I get as well. All right, there we go. Now we're up nearly 1% now. What's driving it? Tesla is up 2% today. Absolutely great. Rivian is just trying to break that 120. And then it'd be nice to see it in the green. Virgin Galactic, now come on. Average 16.50 for those 26 shares. I do want to sell those 26 shares to give myself some buying power, and then that'll be great. Gores Guggenheim up nearly 2% today. Lucid is now pushing and pushing and pushing, up 2.45% today. I'm 60% up. Absolutely great. One of my all-time greatest investments. I put it on YouTube, and they had to hold. I put it on YouTube. They had to hold like TikTok. Watching SHIB grow in 24 hours. What's that you're saying to me, Bill? I put it on YouTube. They had to hold the TikTok. I don't understand that. In the crypto world, the tether printing just worries me. They just reprinted today again. Yeah, listen, I bought Shiba Inu for a joke. I'm totally upfront about it, right? I did it because a lot of my team, family here, are investing in it. I don't see it as an investment. I see it as a bit as a gamble, an all-out gamble. But I wanted to be in it so I could demonstrate it, show the app. Look, this is it. This is Shiba Inu now up 30% today on Coinbase. You know, it's not something I believe in, but I just took some profits I've made and invested it just for a bit of fun. Graphics card currently holding 20 million. I think I've got about 7 million, something like that. Yeah. It's a bit daft. But anyway, whatever. Let's go have a look. Boeing starting to recover. Apple's having a great day today. Very, very good with Apple today, and as is Google. Glad to see that moving. I made a YouTube of my gains I was bugging you with last night. Oh, did you? Oh, there you go. You made a YouTube video. Wonderful. I hope Condi Beth comes and joins us. She's watching over there on Facebook. Sev is down. Immersion up 3%. Palatine is down 13% today. So we're dropping right off now. So this would be not a bad thing. If I could make some money, I would buy Palatine at these lower levels. I like the idea of that. I would do that. But for that to happen, I need to make some money. And I will do that if Virgin Galactic can get to like 17. I will certainly do that. I will certainly do that. AMD. Alexander. I'm sorry, everybody, I can't share your comments on the screen. YouTube isn't broadcasting them through to YouTube today. Hi, Martin. I want to see the car I purchased with Hood Profits. Yes, you've got my number. Text it to me. I'll share it on the screen. Absolutely brilliant. All right. If you've just joined us today and you'd like to be more involved in the family, be able to share, be able to ask questions, do all kinds of things, we have a Discord channel, and here it is. Let me share it with you in the chat. There is the Discord channel. And if anybody because we're running a Black Wednesday, Black Tuesday, Purple Wednesday, Orange Thursday. You Americans love discounts. We are running an amazing, what do you want to call it? Promotion right now. I'm giving 10% off all the items in my shop. All right, if you're interested in it, here it is. Let me share with you my shop. There it is. There it is. martynlucas.com/shop. And you all want the discount code? Let me give it to you right now. Here is the link in the chat. martynlucas.com/shop. There you go. But here is my discount code. ML10. It expires on Friday. So don't try and use it after that. But you get yourself some Christmas socks. Every single thing you could possibly imagine in every single colour. Whatever colour you want, it's there. Alright? There you go. I hope you enjoy that and get yourself a Christmas present. And if you do, make sure that you share it with the group, what you bought, by sending in a picture. Alright? And we can share it on the Discord group. Be fun. Right, Virgin Galactic just dropping back again. You know, I would like to get something out of it. 16.15, so 16.20, yeah. A tiny little bit of profit there, but it would give me a bit of buying power. I would like to see it get to 16.50 just to make something worth trading on. Rivian is now up nearly 1% today, doing very, very well. Oh, there we go. Sorry, I said it like a matter of fact. Rivian has now broke the 120. There we go. I'm just 39 bucks away from a profit. And I've already made profit, of course. I've got lots of free shares of Rivian. I traded it 10 times on the way up and on the way down. Right, let's have a look. Has Rivian hit bottom? 62% say no. 62% say no. That's slightly up from yesterday. That's interesting. It's interesting that you don't think it's hit the bottom. I do. As every day goes on, and the volatility and money still come in, and the volume comes in. I certainly do. I certainly do. Robert Durant is here. Should I buy Robert? Robert Durant. That's weird. That's a comment from YouTube. How bizarre is that? Can everybody comment again, please? I've got comments coming in from YouTube. That's really weird. Right, did you send the picture across? Let's have a look. I've not got it yet. We've got some breaking news here from who sent me this one in? Muzanella about Palatine. Wow, Rivian is now pumping up. Lovely, 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 lovely. There we go. Look at that. Yeah. Look, everyone's comments are coming in now. Good morning, family. There you go. Ah, I've got a video. All right, I've got a video being sent in via. Let me get back to it a minute. Let me get back to it. Right, here we go. Shiba Inu is dropping. Well, just dropped slightly. It's now 30%. Let me show you. There you go. Look, great. Just dropping. Nothing to talk about there with this Kraken deal at all yet. I'm so pleased that the feed's coming through. All right. Good stuff. Right. So I was sent through a video from John Brunette. Oh, I see what's going on. We're opening it in different windows. Absolutely weird. But anyway, not going to worry about it. Oh, is this your new car? Look at this, everybody. This is John Brunette's new car. This is he's made money from his investments, and this is it. Look at this. Oh, look at this. What do we all think of that? Hey, John, is that your new car? Look at that. That's a beautiful shape. I tell you what. Even though I'm not a gas guy anymore, more into the electric, I tell you what, that is a beautiful shape. That reminds me of my Z3. I love that shape. That looks lovely. I can see why you're happy with that, John. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you, mate. I think that's amazing. Absolutely lovely. Congratulations on that. Getting yourself that car. Absolutely great. Wonderful. Right, let's get back over to the trades. Shiba Inu is just dropping a little bit. Looks like my drone folded. A real rocket, I bet. Yes, there we go. Getting some great comments coming in now. We are able to share again. Very sexy car. Nice, Bill said. Nice, Bala said. Oh, we've got everybody loving it. Thanks to you. Thanks to you. Yeah. What do you mean, thanks to me? What was the news? What news? What are you talking about, Balaser? The previous year was my favourite, but I also like this one. There we go. I'm glad you're getting all the comments now. Brilliant. Okay, so let me show you right now. Shiba Inu is just dropping a bit. It's not done anything today because of this news. Now everyone talks about sell, buy the rumor, sell the news. So on the rumor that this was all coming out, the price surged. Now it's actually out. Now it's actual news. It's dropping a little bit. So this is where the comment comes in, you know, about buy the rumor, sell the news. Because news on, Peloton. Right, I will bring that up for you. Muzanella sent it in for me. So I will bring that up. He texted it into me. So let me just go back to Peloton and have a little minute. Dropping. If I make some money from SPCE, I will buy some. Right. Okay. Let me just share with you the text I got from Muzanella. Peloton. Okay. It's on a text. Let me have a look what it says. See if I can show it to you. Notice of allowance. Let's have a look. Peloton Technologies, a biopharmaceutical company developing first-in-class medicines based on molecules, blah, 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 blah. Notice for application, the allowed claims relate to the use of melanocortin peptides to decrease pro-inflammatory cytokine production and expression associated with cytokine storm. All right. A U.S. patent and trademark office has issued a notice of allowance. There you go. So they've done that. They've applied for this patent. This patent is in a family of patents relating to melanocortin. So this is some good news. Okay, if you want to read that in more detail, there it is. All right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I am going to copy that and drop it into the Discord group for more information. So I'm going to go into the general channel and post that, see if that works. Just posted that into there, so you've got that now. Right. Virgin Galactic didn't let me do anything. Peloton is still dropping. I will buy some Peloton if I can get some money out of SPCE. I did that all day yesterday. Let's have a look. Right, Virgin Galactic. Are we just going to get something out of this? It doesn't look like we're going to make much money today on this. I've got an average of 16.15. 16.15. So I've made 10 cents. 10 cents. But the point is, I've made 10 cents per share. 26 shares. You know, $2.60, but the point is I'll get all that money out as well. Then I could buy Peloton, perhaps. So let's have a look. Just kidding. Nice Scoob. You've got there, John. I'll get 500 of Peloton if my limit goes through at 0.69. Right. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm not going to get, it doesn't look like Virgin Galactic is going to let me make much money, but at least I could make some money because it looks like a down day for Virgin Galactic today again. So let me get ready to sell. How many have I got? I've got 26 shares. 26 shares, 16.15. So I've made money. So let's sell. Let's get ready to go. 26 shares. That'll give me $400, and I'll buy some Peloton as it drops. All right, if I can just get that out, that'll give me $421 at the moment. That'll increase in a minute. Let me just see if I can get it to pop up again, just a little bit. It's going back down. There's no point selling it yet. I'm going to keep that there on hand. I'm going to keep watching as well Shiba Inu for some more news on that. It's dropping actually, only a little bit, but it's not doing anything great. You know, this drama, I don't know, it's not done anything. Surely I can't be the only one that noticed. Haha, pre-check screen shares. What do you mean, Chris? Surely I can't be the only one that noticed that. Pre-check screen shares. What have I shared? What have I done? Nice Scoot. I did it all day yesterday. What do you mean, Chris? Have I shared something I shouldn't? Just let me know. I don't know what I've done. Don't worry about it. Just scrolling, just waiting for some news to come here. I'm just looking at something. Chris, I got it. I got it. I know exactly what you're talking about. Yeah, sent you a private message. Where did you send me the private message? Yeah. Brilliant. YouTube gold, right? Oh dear, brilliant. Facebook. All right. Baha, brilliant. We're having some fun here. Right, Rivian dropping back. Let's have a look now. Let's see we're still up today. Right, let's get everyone's scores now. I'm up 0.74. I'm sure I'm not going to win. I'm sure I'm not going to win, but let's get everyone's scores on the doors. Love you too, mate. Oh, dear, oh, dear. Let's get everyone's scores on the doors, please. 0.68% up. And 0.7 now. Let's see who wins. Let's see who wins today. Tesla is now up to 2.4. Rivian is now... we've got one more like to go, guys. One more like to go, and we can get our 20 likes. We average 20 likes every show. We've got 19 now. Can one more person, at least one more person, like the video? I really appreciate it. If you could do that, that'd be absolutely wonderful. Thank you very, very much indeed. Let's get the 20 likes. We get to 20 likes every day now. That's what we want to do. Right, Rivian just dropped back a bit. For a while, it was above 120. SPCE, I'm trying to sell 26 shares, but it has to make some... Oh, 21. You ask and you shall receive. Brilliant. I love that. All right, if you've just joined us and you want to be part of a Discord group where we share and all sorts of wonderful stuff, there is the Discord in the live chat. And let's get everyone's scores now. Now, I'm trying to get 50 followers to my podcast. All you've got to do is click this link now in the chat. You probably have Spotify or whatever you use. Just click the follow. I need to get 50 follows. All right? It's absolutely paramount to life itself that I get 50 follows. And let me share with you. Look, I got a miserable 2 out of 50, guys. There's the link in the chat. Come on, help me out here. Help me out. Can someone help me out with that, please? I need to get to... just thinking of... I'm just remembering Christopher's comments, our conversation. Right. We're now seeing a bit of a drop today with... Okay, Virgin Galactic, right. Okay, sell 26, review order. Review order 26. Go on. Shares sold 26. Okay, there you go. I just sold 26 shares. Now, as you can see, Shiba Inu is falling now. This news didn't do anything at all. So basically, I just sold 26 shares. That's all. So I made like $3 or $4, but I got my money out and I can do it again. Not a great amount of money, I admit, but at the end of the day, I was able to sell 26 shares and make some money. So now we could look at Peloton as down 15%. If I wanted to do that, I could down 15%. So if I think that's not a bad idea, what I could do, let's have a look at it. I could buy again now. Down 15%. So now I've got in my buying power, let's have a look. We've now got in the buying power, we got 420 bucks. Let's call it 420 bucks. Because I always want to keep a little bit there, right? So go to Peloton. 400. So buy. So 100. 500, 500, whoops, go 600, 420, there you go. What I can do is virtually wipe out my loss. It's going down 18%. What I might do is maybe buy 400. And then maybe I could buy a bit more if it continues to fall. Let's see what happens. So I'll buy 400. What's everybody think about this? What's everyone's question? I don't use Spotify out of principle. Can you follow? Yes, you can follow other platforms. Any follow counts. Any follow counts. So down nearly 18%. I might actually... So if I buy 400 at that... Review order. Okay, I'm going to buy 400 at that. Done. Now watch my loss drop from 17% down. Give that a few seconds. %17 down. If you watch it, if I zoom in, they are. It's now 10% down. So I've dramatically reduced my loss there, and I've got 900 shares of it now. And what I'll do is, if it continues to go down, I'll buy a little bit more, and do that. There we go. So I've got 150 bucks left. 150 bucks left. Tesla's doing great. Rivian threatening. Virgin Galactic, I'm glad I did that, because now it's dropped back down again. So I've just made that bit of money. Got a couple of free shares. I've ended up with probably 100 free shares with Palatine. But anyway, Virgin Galactic dropping back. So there's nothing I'm going to do there today. That's now finished with. Lucid is awesome. Robinhood has had a good day, up nearly 1%. Rolls-Royce up 1.52. That's good. Boeing is down. Apple's had a great day, up 2%. These are great days for Apple, and this is probably a lot to do with Lucid, the rumor of the situation there. Right, we're now at 27% now with Shiba. If you're following that, look. So this news didn't do anything. Remember, buy the rumor, sell the news. So, you know. But I'm going to leave it there. It's a bit of fun, isn't it? This one. This really is just a bit of crazy fun. So, Palatine. It's continuing to fall. How low will this go? If we scroll out, we had this big pump yesterday. So I bought when it was going up. Now I bought when it was going down. How low will it go? I mean, it's been as low as 35 cents a share. It's currently at 69. $21 likes. Absolutely awesome. Right. Let me check on the podcast. Let's see if anyone's followed me. No, only 2. I'm not even going to share it anymore. All right, okay. And we're still watching Shiba there just for you. I know you're interested in that. That news didn't make a difference, did it? Nothing great there. Now, Palatine. It's still falling, but I'm down now just 11%, despite the fact it fell today. So what I'll do is I'll buy a bit more when it hits... I think this will be the most shares I've ever had, 900 shares. If it goes lower, I'll buy a bit more. We shall see. Right, let's have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is up 7.5% today. This is really, really good. Bitcoin is very, very close now to 60,000, up 4.5% today. Absolutely fantastic. Is PayPal a buy? Yeah, Muzan says, is PayPal a buy? Is PayPal a good buy? Well, I've got PayPal. I've got 1 share of it. I don't know anymore. I don't know. My Palatine order went through its at point. There we go. Let me share that on the screen. Balance's got his shares there, lot of PTN. Good stuff. Let's have a look at PayPal. It's in my... Whoop, there it is. It's one of my stocks. I only have one share in it, mind you. But I'll share with you what I have. Yeah, it's down 37%. 37% right now. I only have one share in it. I could if I bought one share, I would half my loss. That wouldn't be a bad idea, would it? Look at that. PayPal. What does everybody think about PayPal? Is it going to come back? I don't know much on it. I use it. Is it going to stay in business? What do you think? What does everybody think about PayPal? What's everyone's view on it? Let's have a chat about it. Let's do a poll. End poll. Okay, here we go. We're going to ask the question: is PayPal a good buy? Is PayPal a good buy? That's the question. Is PayPal a good buy? Yes or no? There we go. Alexander wants to know. I want to know. Should I buy one more share and literally halve my loss there? What do you think? I wonder if it's getting increased competition from Square Up and other online payment gateways. I mean, there are so many. So many. Is PayPal a good buy now? In fact, I'm going to edit it. I'm going to edit it. Hang on. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to end it and do it again. I've got a better idea. Because I don't want everyone just going yes or no. All right? Hang on a minute. I've got a better idea. Is PayPal a good buy? Yes, no, don't know. Okay? Because, you know, we keep going yes and no, and you might not know. So if you don't know, if you don't have an opinion, say that. There you go. Is PayPal a good buy? Yes, no, don't know. Let's see. I've got one share in it. So, you know, might take years now to recover. Let's see. Is PayPal a good buy? Yes, no, and don't know. 50% don't know. Interesting. Right. You know, I certainly like the idea of $185, and I would then let me just remove that. There we go. I still think it's still the number one payment processor. There we go. Still the number one. We've just dropped a bit more now on Shiba Inu. There we go. Buy the rumor, sell the news. There is an example of it right there today. We shall see what happens. The way I look at this Shiba Inu, it's a lottery ticket. I don't buy a lottery ticket to win the lottery and then ask for my money back. I don't even try and sell, trade the ticket. I just buy it, forget it. One day I wake up and go, oh, look, I've got $100,000 worth of Shiba. Just sell it. That's the way I see this. I'm not going to trade this. I'm up today, I'm down tomorrow. I'm up today, I'm down tomorrow. I don't know. Especially with Coinbase, I don't know what the charges are, but Robinhood, it'd be free. I don't know what the charges are, and it's such a small amount. I've got $150 in it. Well, no, I've got about 225 now, I think. 225, whatever it is. And it's just not worth the bother, is it? So I just leave it, and if I wake up tomorrow and it's $1,000 or something like that, great, we're here. It's off to the races. We just sell it and whatever. That's the way I'm looking at that one. I think it's a good idea to have a little bit of fun on the side, but keep it in 1% of your whole wealth. That's a difficult one to speculate. So many emerging technologies for that. Yeah. It's a very difficult one. I don't know. PayPal. I got 500 more. Right. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh, it's still falling. Right. So I've got 900 now. So I just bought in at, what did I just buy in at? I just bought in at, I bought in at 84. I bought in at 70. It's now 67. It's not low enough for me to buy in another chunk. It's gonna have to go down to sort of 50 or 40 or something stupid like that before I start buying in anymore. For me, because I've got $600, and if I'm not careful, this becomes too big. All of a sudden, you've got too much money in it. I was right to sell my Virgin Galactic position. I made a few bucks, got the money out. That's fine, but yeah, nothing to talk about there. Rivian is threatening, still won't do it. 9:30. Oh, we didn't get everyone scoring. I didn't announce the winner. Who is the winner this morning on the Day Trader? So let's go back to it. Sorry, no one. I don't think anyone gave their scores. Right. Let's go back to the main position, and we are. Let's have a look. I'm up 0.88. Let's get the scores. I was a lottery junkie until I met Martyn, throwing away 200 a week with no return, maybe a free ticket or 10. Now I am growing, made money, still making money, and having fun, feeling great. There you go. Look at that. From our friend in Canada. What a lovely testimony to the show. Wonderful stuff. Thank you ever so much, Bill. Really do appreciate it. You're very welcome. You're most welcome. Right. Up 1.06. Okay, so Balasir goes into the lead. Everybody else's score. And while we're looking at that, you can see Shiba Inu is dropping. It's going down and down and down. Not doing anything on the back of that news. Anyway, up 1%. Anybody beat 1.06? I would love to know. I am down 0.31. Musanel is driving. Yes, Musanel is. I'm honoured, absolutely honoured. We got a friend here, Musanel, our biggest trader. We got some really exciting news. Me and Musanel are working on. Tell you about it one day. But he's driving his car. He's out. He's still listening to us, clocking up the watch hours, supporting the channel. Right. Okay, let's have a look at the poll. We've got 8 votes in. Is PayPal a good buy? Yes, 12%. No, 25%. And 62 don't know. So only 12% think it's a good buy. There you go. Only 12% think it's a good buy. You know, you could sort of if we sort of step back and look at it, I mean, PayPal can evolve, can't it? Oh, Bill is down 5.82. Self-braiding, Queen of Self-braiding is down 0.31. So it looks like the winner is Balasir. Everybody, give him a round of applause. Thank you for sharing your trades. Congratulations to you. And let's get in a big round of applause. There we go. Nice one. He seems to win every day. There you go. Just wake everybody up. He seems to win every day. Congratulations to you. Absolutely wonderful stuff. Really, really, really good. Yeah. So it looks to me like people don't really know what to make of it. Whether we should buy it or not. If you look at it over time, it's a great opportunity if you think it's going to come back. I mean, no question about it. No question about it. Is PayPal going to come back? It's a big name in the market. Not most days. Most days you win, Alexander, 1.52. Oh, you would have won, Alex, but it's too late. You left it too late. Look at this. Alex actually is actually got more, 1.52, but we've already called it. We gave it 30 seconds. Oh dear, oh dear. Alexander was actually the winner today. But I left it on there long enough. I thought that was everybody was done. Oh, Alex, congratulations to you. Yeah, we're down 12% this year, 33% of the last few months, 3 months, down 20% on the month, down on the week. I wonder if we're finding a stable bottom. What do you think of this for next time? Yeah, down 0.5%. What do you think? Are we hitting the bottom with this? Is it worth buying one share of it? Then my 37% would drop to somewhere in the region of 20% down. It would be, you know, he wins, I concede. There we go. All right then. We'll do it. Let's do it. Everybody congratulate him. Fantastic. Alexander is the winner. 1.52. Let's bring it in. Ballas here concedes. There you go. Big round of applause. Congratulations. Nice one. Dynamic Comics has just come in. Shiba. You've got Shiba's. You're popping on the screen. Look, PayPal is still falling today, down nearly 1%. Dropping. You'd be very brave to buy in at this point. I mean, there's no news of any recovery. I don't know what's going to happen with it. Let's have a look. Let's scroll down. It's 83% buy, though. 83% buy. Expected in February. The earnings is fine. Did Shiba start trading live on Kraken? Yes, it did. It did. And the news of it. Look, Shiba's dropped. Look at it. Here is it was up to 30 odd percent. It's now dropped back. This is my COINBASE account. It has dropped. There you go. What do you make of that? We had a bit of fun with it. It's not something I actually believe in at all. This is the breaking news. We're all talking about the Kraken deal, but at the end of the day, it didn't do anything. Nothing yet anyway. Bitcoin, a real investment, great. Ethereum, a real investment, great. I mean, I bought some. I've got 220 odd bucks of it, just for a bit of fun. If you've just joined us, smash the like button. Paladin is continuing to fall. I might get a bit more if it carries on going. What is my position right now? My portfolio buying power is $156. Rivian is hovering around the 20. Tesla is just dropping back now. It's at 1.85. Rolls-Royce is doing well. Lucid is fantastic, just dropping back slightly. We're up 56% on it right now. So that's all looking good. Paladin is going down and down and down. I'll maybe buy a bit more when it keeps on falling. Who knows how low this can... How low can this go? How low can this go? Right. We hover around the 50 cents, it seems. Here, 50 cents. Probably around 50 cents would probably be the low point then. So let's see what happens. What are your thoughts on Rivian? I think it's great. It's overpriced, but I've traded it 10 times. I've made money on the way up, made money on the way down. I've now bought more Rivian. I think it's stabilizing now. It's overpriced. The stock is going to have to grow into its price, but It's a great company. The idea is great. The fact, not the truck so much, but the deal with Amazon and Amazon buying all their vans through them, having the Rivian, that's fantastic. That's great because it's a commercial. It's a commercial for all electric vehicles when your Amazon van turns up. And it's a Rivian. Absolutely fantastic. So if it's your very first time here, smash the like button. We're trying to get to 25 likes. We average 20. We're a new channel. Smash the like button and please click subscribe, ring the bell. We go live here every weekday on the opening and closing bell. And Dynamic Comics, I'd love to know where you're from. I'm from Cornwall in England, but my studio is here in Texas. Full disclosure, I'm actually the World Piano Man. This is my music TV studio, and I perform live shows here in the afternoon, and by day I trade for my future. So that's what I do, and I built a family community here of great traders, and my portfolio has grown from 5,000 to 58. We just dropped back to 55 right now. A bit of a correction last couple of weeks. But it's been a wonderful journey, and my team will all support you here. If you want to be part of the podcast, here is the link in the chat. Please click follow to that. If you want if you want to be part of our Discord group and you want to talk to the team, make suggestions for the show, things you want to see, things you want me to research, there is the Discord. You're invited to join it. And also, we give away stuff. I like to share the referrals I get from the brokerages with you. I like to give it back. Here's Coinbase. If you use my referral, you will get $10 a Bitcoin, and I do as well. eTORO, they give me a bit of money for referring you, so I give you $10 in cash. I send you via PayPal, Apple Pay, whatever you like there. And if you're in the US and you want a free stock from Robinhood, I give you the Robinhood link. All my links are below in the chat, in the description as well. But thank you for the like. All right, let's have a look at that poll. 11 votes in now. Is PayPal a good buy? Yes, 9%. No, 27%. Don't know, 64%. There we go. Update on Shiba. It's continuing to drop. It didn't do anything great on this news. And on that note, we're going to wrap up the show today. Thank you very much for all being here. But it's now time to wrap up the show. We'll be back for the closing bell later on. PayPal is still falling. I've tried to find a tutorial to get my let's have a look. My Coinbase Pro to work better, so I can trade and buy and sell. Where are you from? You're from Los Angeles. Cheaper on there, but no available. If you can recommend, that would be great. Well, I tell you now, the best way to buy. What are you looking to buy? What are you actually looking to invest in? Without a shadow of a doubt, the best brokerage I've ever used is Robinhood. I love it. I think it's fantastic. And there is my link. Right. Later all, be well and profit all. Wonderful stuff. We're going to wrap up the show now. And we'll be back later to follow what Shiba did throughout the day, what we did. Are we going to buy some more Peloton? Well, we'll watch it. Has it hit the bottom? We'll see. Possibly, maybe. We're getting a bit of a resistance there now. What's my buying power now? I'd like to get this one wrapped up. 150 bucks I could buy of it. Peloton, let's have a look. Buy 100, 200, 250, 225, 230. Review order. Oh, it's dropping again. 163. Review order. Am I going to buy it at that position? Dropping again. I'm going to buy it at this order. Something's trying to hold it up. There you go. I'll buy it again. So 18% now. 19. Let's refresh the screen. We've got 900. Let's have a look at it. That'll take me over 1,000 shares now. And there we go. 15% down. Okay. We're starting to get a bit of a lift. There we go. I'm going to leave it right there. Okay. That's me done for the day. I've done all my trades I want to do. I'm happy with that. Buying power is $10. That's fine. All done. Dynamic comics. Let's bring this up quickly before you. I'm already on Tom B's for a while. It's just to glock more money for buying and selling fees on Coinbase app and the website. You want to buy Ethereum? Well, again, Ethereum is far cheaper on Robinhood. I use Robinhood. Let me show you my Ethereum position on Robinhood. There it is. There's my Ethereum position on Robinhood. Got $1,800. No, sorry. Yes, I have. $1,800 worth of Ethereum. And I've got 6,753 of Bitcoin. There's my position. I strongly recommend Robinhood because it's just the easiest app to use, the cheapest app to use. Yeah, brilliant. All right, that's it from me. Thank you ever so much for liking the video, subscribing, ringing the bell. Thank you ever so much indeed. I look forward to seeing you all back later for the closing bell. Take care of yourselves and each other.